Hello viewers, nice to see you. Good morning. This is Chandra. I just want to show you the Saturn SD470 boat which I bought, and I'm so glad that I bought this boat. As you can see, it's a 15-foot long boat and it can accommodate 9 to 10 people. So my family is 4 members. We happily boat fish on this. You can see I bought this trailer from Harbor and Freight. I think it's 1790 some kind of model. It costed me just $420. It was on a discount. Generally it would be around $500, this trailer. And I made a platform, if you see, with some simple wood. You can see it doesn't cost you much. And I have a ladder. We go to Lake Pleasant. We live in Arizona, Phoenix. Lake Pleasant is a nice place to go for boating, fishing and all that. So my kids love to swim, and I have this ladder on, so when they jump off the boat, swim for a while and get on the boat. And I have a bimini top, and I got my 4 of my life jackets tied to this. And I am propelling this boat with Newport 85 pound thrust electric propeller motor. As you see, I've already installed it, so it stays on the boat. It's not that heavy, when I tow this and all that, like it's safe. And I tied this bimini top back to the boat like this, and I got some the wheels to drag the boat. I had the wheels earlier, but now I removed the wheels. I don't need the wheels. When it comes to the tail signal lamps, I used a wireless ones. I just returned whatever the lights I got with this trailer. They are wired ones, like these are wireless ones. So you just have these tail lamps here, and the receiver will be in my trunk. So they work very well, fine. And this trailer, like, it doesn't come with a spare tire. I had to buy one, and then I could put this on. And this third leg dolly, whatever it is, this arrangement, this is an extra fitting I bought from Harbor Freight. Pretty much all the stuff in Harbor Freight is very cheap. If you want to look around the boat, I put on some simple chains here up front for extra safety. I'm going fishing right now. Oh, I forgot to show you. So this I'm using Li power 24 amps lithium lifetime 24 amps and 100 amps and 24 volts battery. And this battery, it literally runs for the whole day. So with 4 members on the boat, like we would roam in the lake for an hour or 2, it still shows 100%. So we already had 3 trips, 3 times, it still shows 100%. I don't know how that is possible, but literally if you charge for once, like you can have like 10 to 15 trips in that lake without needing to charge. And I kept this battery is heavy, and hooked this up to this front, so that it is like the weight is balanced while I'm towing this. So if we keep that battery and all that at the back, like so, the weight is not balanced. So this is all about this. And if you got any questions and all that, you can ask me. My phone number is 260-820-7804. Thank you. Bye.